Ever wondered about banking without borders? Have you ever dreamed of a bank account that lets you manage your money internationally without the hassle of hidden fees and unfair exchange rates? Well, that dream might be closer than you think. Monese is a digital banking platform designed for a globalized world, offering a seamless banking experience for people on the move. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid in euros, a student studying abroad, or someone with family across different countries, Monese could be your perfect financial companion. But before you dive headfirst into the world of Monese, there's one crucial step: getting set up with an account. And that, of course, involves providing the necessary documents. So, the question on everyone's mind is, what exactly do you need to open a Monese account? Let's break down the documents you'll need for Monese. Don't worry, the process is designed to be quick and easy. Here's a breakdown of the documents you'll typically need to verify your identity and residency for a Monese account. A valid government-issued ID. This is the foundation of your application. Your ID could be a passport, national identity card, or any other government-approved document that clearly shows your photo, full name, date of birth, and nationality. Proof of residence. Monese needs to verify your address to comply with regulations and ensure account security. Acceptable documents for proof of residence can vary slightly depending on your location. Generally, recent utility bills, electricity, water, gas, bank statements, or council tax bills work well. Just make sure the documents are dated within the last 3 months and clearly display your full name and current address. Here's a quick tip: if you live in shared accommodation, a rental agreement with your name on it can also work as proof of residence. Additional documents you might need in specific situations. While the above documents are the usual suspects, there might be a few additional things Monese might request depending on your specific circumstances. Proof of income, optional in some cases. Monese might ask for proof of income, especially if you're applying for a specific account type with higher spending limits. This could be a payslip, employment contract, or bank statements showing regular income deposits. Visa, if applicable. If you're a foreigner residing in the country where you're applying for a Monese account, you might need to provide a copy of your valid visa alongside your other documents. Document for a minor, if applicable. If you're opening a Monese account for your child, you'll need to provide additional documents like your own ID, proof of your relationship to the child, birth certificate, and their passport, if applicable. Important things to remember about your documents. Now, let's go over some key points to remember when it comes to submitting your documents for your Monese application. Clarity is key. Make sure all your documents are scanned or photographed clearly, ensuring all details are readable. Blurry or pixelated documents might delay your application processing. Validity matters. Double-check that your ID and any residence permits are valid and not expired. An expired document is a guaranteed application rejection. Be truthful. Monese takes verification seriously. Make sure all the information on your documents matches the details you provide during the application process. A final note on getting started with Monese. With the right documents in hand, opening your Monese account should be a breeze. Once your application is verified, you will be ready to experience the world of international banking, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Be sure to check the latest requirements on the Monese website for any updates to their document requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.